Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through how to make iPhone alarm vibrate only. So if you want to make your iPhone alarm vibrate only, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to make your iPhone alarm vibrate only without sound. You just have to open the alarm app, which is the clock icon on your phone. Just tap on the clock. Then from there you can just switch in between. If yours is under the work clock, just try and set it back to the alarm. Then from there you can customize the sound for your alarm. If you want to be vibrate, if you want it to be sound. So for you to be able to do that, you can also try and create a new alarm by tap on the plus icon at the right top corner of the screen, or probably can simply customize the existing alarm that you have. So I'm just going to tap on this alarm. And for me to be able to customize the sound, so I'm just going to tap on the sound button. So from there, then you just have to make sure that these are the available sound for alarm. So if you don't want any sound, just tap on none. You can see that. Then just make sure you activate the vibration option. For this, you can see, then that means the sound is off. Then your alarm only vibrates only without sound, and that is how you can make an iPhone alarm vibrate only without sound. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.